Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we have a fantastic episode lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of budgeting, breaking it down into simple steps that anyone can follow to take control of their finances and work towards financial stability. Segment 1: Why budgeting matters. You know, it's easy to think of budgeting as just a boring chore or something that restricts our spending. But in reality, it's so much more than that. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success, and it can truly transform your life. Picture your finances as a journey, and budgeting is your trusty map. It's the compass that guides you through the twists and turns, helping you navigate toward your financial goals. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your money, rather than letting your money control you. It's like having a financial superpower that allows you to make intentional choices about how you use your hard-earned dollars. Think about it this way: without a budget, you might be working hard, earning money, but have no idea where it's all going. You might be stressed out, living paycheck to paycheck, and unable to save for your dreams. But with a budget, you become the captain of your financial ship. You can see where your money is going, plan for your future, and achieve financial peace. You can start saving for that dream vacation, that emergency fund, or even retirement. Segment 2: Getting started. Getting started with budgeting is like embarking on a financial adventure, and like any adventure, it begins with preparation. The first step on this journey is getting a clear picture of your financial landscape. So, let's dive into the first part of our budgeting journey: understanding your income. This is where the magic begins, because it's all about the money you're bringing in. Income isn't just your salary, it's every source of money you receive. It includes your paycheck, any side hustles, rental income, or even financial gifts. You want to calculate your total monthly income, which is the financial fuel for your budgeting engine. Once you've got a firm grip on your income, the next step is equally important: listing your expenses. Think of this as mapping out the terrain of your financial journey. Expenses come in two flavors: fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are those regular bills you pay every month, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and loan payments. They're steady and predictable. Variable expenses, on the other hand, are like the changing scenery on your journey. These include things like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and other discretionary spending. They can vary from month to month. When you list your expenses, don't forget to allocate a portion of your income for savings. Savings are like the treasure chests you'll discover along the way. They can include emergency funds, retirement accounts, or specific savings goals like that dream vacation or a new car. Segment 3: Creating your budget. Creating your budget is where the magic happens. It's like building the bridge between your financial dreams and reality. Let's delve into the details of this essential step. Step 4 is all about putting your financial puzzle together. You can use different tools for this, such as a spreadsheet, a budgeting app, or even the good old pen and paper. The key is to allocate your income to various expense categories. Start with your fixed expenses: your rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, and loan payments. These are the non-negotiables that need to be covered. Then, allocate funds for your variable expenses: groceries, transportation, entertainment, and so on. Remember, this is where you have some flexibility. But here's the real secret sauce: allocating funds for your savings and financial goals. This is where you pay yourself first. It's like investing in your future self. Be sure to prioritize your goals. If building an emergency fund or paying down debt is a top priority, allocate a significant portion of your income to these categories. Now, on to step 5: monitoring and adjusting. This isn't a set it and forget it situation. Your budget should be flexible and adaptable to your changing financial situation. Regularly track your spending to ensure you're staying on course. Many budgeting apps can help you do this effortlessly by categorizing your transactions. And don't be afraid to make adjustments. Life happens, and your budget should be able to accommodate unexpected expenses or shifts in your financial goals. Segment 4, Budgeting Tips and Tricks. These budgeting tips and tricks are like the secret sauce that can make your budgeting journey even smoother and more effective. One fantastic tip is to use cash envelopes. This is an old-school method where you allocate a set amount of cash for different spending categories. It's a tangible way to stick to your budget and prevent overspending. Plus, it helps you become more mindful of your money. Another trick is to automate your savings. Once you've allocated funds for savings in your budget, set up automatic transfers to your savings accounts. This ensures that you pay yourself first, even before you have a chance to spend the money elsewhere. Here's a tip that can free up more money for your financial goals: cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your variable expenses and identify areas where you can trim down. It could be eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding more cost-effective alternatives. A crucial part of successful budgeting is to review your budget monthly. Set aside time each month to assess how well you've stuck to your plan. This review process helps you spot any spending patterns that need adjusting and keeps you accountable. Last but not least, consistency is key. Budgeting is a long-term commitment. Stay patient and stick with it. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Over time, you'll see the positive impact on your financial situation. So, as you embark on your budgeting journey, keep these tips and tricks in mind. They can help you stay on track, build your savings, and achieve your financial goals faster. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to managing your money through budgeting. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself, it's about gaining control and financial freedom. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and guides. Until next time, keep budgeting, stay on track, and achieve your financial dreams. See you in the next video.